Let's talk about adjustment 3. That is when we have to calculate old partner's capital on the basis of the new partner's share and capital. So, continuing with the earlier given cases, I have took the old firm, that is the partnership firm where A and B are partner. Their profit sharing ratio is 3 is to 2 and their capitals are 30 lakh and 20 lakh. So what is the capital of the old firm? That totals 50 lakh. And what would be the share of the old firm? That is 3 by 5. What is 3 by 5? 3 is the share of A, and what is the total share of the firm here is 3 plus 2, that is 5. So out of 5, what is the share of A, that is 3, and out of 5, what is the share of B, that is 2. So 3 plus 2 divided by 5, what is the share of the firm? That is 1. So you have to keep in mind that firm's share is always is equals to 1. So firm's share equals to 1. What is the capital here? That is rupees 50 lakh in the old firm. Now case is this, that C is admitted for 1/6 share. Earlier there were the partners A and B. Now C is admitted for 1/6 share and he is supposed to bring in the capital rupees 10 lakh, and the new profit sharing ratio after his admission is given to us 3 to 1. Now what we have to do is, the question it is given that we have to adjust the old partner's capital on the basis of the C's share and capital. So under the new firm, now there are three partners A, B and C, and their profit sharing ratio is 3, 2 and 1, and they would start for the total capital of the new firm. Now we are not given the capital of the newly adjusted partners A and B, but C's capital is given to us rupees 10 lakh. For how much share? That is 1 by 6 share. His capital is 10 lakh. Okay, so when we have to adjust the share on the basis of C's, 1/6 share, C's capital is 10 lakh. For one share, what would be the capital of the new firm? That is equals to this 10 lakh into 6 by 1. This will become the reciprocal. Okay, so here for 1/6 share, if the capital is 10 lakh, then what would be the capital of the firm for one share? That is 10 lakh into 6 divided by 1. So the capital of the new firm would be rupees 60 lakh. So what was the A's share, B's share and C's share? That was 3 by 6, 2 by 6 and 1 by 6. So in this 60 lakh, what would be the A's share of capital? That is 30 lakh, 20 lakh and 10 lakh. So in the newly constituted firm, A's share of capital would be 30 lakh, B's share of capital would be 20 lakh and C's share of capital is 10 lakh. Thank you, Accountitude. Keep scoring, like, share and subscribe to my channel.